with you climbing 1,600, climbing to 2,500.
Okay, 886, departure, get ready to contact, turn right heading 330, climb maintain 4,000.
Okay, right 330, climb to maintain 4,000. We just had a compressor stall on the left engine, so we might have to return to the field.
886, roger. At 886, just fly heading 240 and 3,000 works for you.
Yeah, 240, 3,000 works, 86.
Okay, 886, any update?
Yeah, 886, yeah. We got stabilized. We're going to go ahead and declare an emergency. We had a compressor stall on the left engine. Apparently, they did see some indications of I guess, the initial burst coming out from the left engine, but it's running normally now. We're going to run some checklists. Maybe we could get a hold position and go back for landing.
6 Roger, I'll give you just vectors just to keep you out of all the weather. When you do return, we can probably take you to runway 4 right, just to keep you out of all the weather. And when you get a chance, fuel remaining in pounds and souls on board.
Sir, fuels remaining is, we got souls on board 183. Fuel remaining is 6 hours, 16 minutes.
Unit 886, contact approach on 128.8. They'll keep the holes around this general area.
288, United 886. Approach United 886, 3,000.
Yeah, 886, next approach, roger. Yeah, 886, you can expect ILS runway 4 right approach.
United 886, roger, thanks.
United 886, wants to verify both engines are still running.
Affirmative, both engines are running. It seems normal at the moment. United 886, still running the checklist.
Yeah, 886, roger. United 886, turn left, heading 070.
Left 070, United 886.
And New York, United 886?
Yeah, 886, New York.
Yeah, just for your heads up, we're probably going to need about 10 minutes to talk to dispatch, figure out what they want to do with us. We pretty much finished the checklist. The engines are running normal at this time, but we do anticipate coming back to the airport. Once we're done with the dispatch, then we'll probably get back to you as far as we're going to go to Newark or Kennedy.
Yeah, 886, roger, just expect delay vectors until you let us know.
Roger, copy that.
United 886, turn left, heading 270.
Left 270, United 886.
United 886, New York.
Go ahead, United 886.
What are we talking time frame wise until you think you have an idea of whether you want to come into Newark, you want to go to somewhere else?
Looks like it'll be Newark. Talking to dispatch now. Probably about 5 more minutes and we'll be ready to go. 886.
All right, very good. And it'll be ILS runway 4 right when you're ready, okay?
ILS 4 right, got it, thanks.
United 886, I'll give you one more turn here and then they bring you back in when you give me the green light. Turn left, heading 270.
Sounds good. Left 270, United 886.
All right, Newark, United 886. I think we're just about ready to come into Newark for landing. Can you give us the current wind and weather as far as the runway condition is the west?
Okay, I'll keep you advised on the runway conditions, but in the meantime, turn left, heading 070, United 886, intercept the 4 right localizer.
70 heading, intercept the 4 right localizer in 886.
Reback is correct, left turn, the airport wind is 130 at 8.
138, United 886.
United 886, they're turning the localizer on now, so if you will, just track direct to gritty on the localizer. Track direct gritty until they get it plugged up, okay?
Direct gritty 86, cover that.
United 886, tower advises the runway is wet.
Copy 886. And wind check, please.
120 at Niner, sir. United 886 is 7 from gritty, cross gritty at 3000, and clear ILS 4 right.
Cross gritty 3000, clear the ILS 4 right 86.
United 886, connect New York Tower 18.3.
18.3, United 886. Yeah, United 886.
United 886 New York Tower, wind 130 at 10, runway 4 right, clear to land.
Clear land 4 right, 86.
United 886, you can take the high speed, and do you require any assistance?
Taking the high speed at negative, United 886.
United 886, roger. Do you want to be looked at or anything?
Yeah, that wouldn't hurt at all. Just check out that left engine and see if there's anything abnormal, 886.
United 886, roger. Just hold on Papa, and we'll pass the words to the emergency truck there.
Hold on Papa, United 886, thanks.